In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you can change your password in your Stripe account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do, you just need to open your Stripe account like this, go to your Stripe homepage and click over here on setting and click again on setting, and you just need to wait few seconds for this page to come, and I will show you guys how you can do it. It's super easy and it's so simple and it's super easy like I said. So you will be directly in this page, click on profile, and here you go. Just click over here on edit. You have here your email, you have your name, and you have password. You guys can click on change password, and here you go. They will send a verification code to your email address, and you just need to put this uh, verification code here, and you can be able to change your password easy and simple. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.